He paid for peace, but the sound never stopped. Wu Sung moved into his dream apartment, only to be driven insane by persistent noise above and below. At first, he blamed the city, but the clues whispered a darker truth. Someone was watching. He and his neighbor Jin Ho teamed up, only for Wu Sung to discover Jin Ho himself orchestrated the chaos, aiming to destroy Ada, the corrupt developer. In a violent confrontation, reality broke. The building exploded, but maybe only in his mind. He returned to his apartment, and the noise was back, proving some cages aren't physical. When silence isn't safe, would you keep listening? Tag someone who knows the sound of your mind.